Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts. Of course, today is June 1st, and we're going to be seeing, could this be the month where we finally see some sort of reversal happening with the price of Pepe, seeing some all-time highs potentially? So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, we still have about 5 zeros in front of the price currently sitting at 129. We're up about 4.5% in all ETH, Bitcoin, and USD comparatives over the last 24 hours. So that is a big plus point that we do need to point out. Looking at its market cap, currently approaching that $545 million mark, and the 24-hour trading volume has increased compared to yesterday, currently sitting at $120 million. So that is not bad at all. But now, of course, we're going to shift our focus towards the analysis, see what is happening, and could we potentially see a breakout as we do, of course, go into the weekend. And of course, today is a brand new month, June 1st, and it's just not an ordinary month. This month is jam-packed with a lot of massive news coming out, a lot of big catalysts that could push the crypto space in the right direction as far as bullishness is concerned in terms of altcoins and potentially meme coins as well. So we're going to analyze that and see what potentially could happen. So if we're looking at Pepe's Twitter, you guys can see 293.4k. Who knows if this weekend could be the time where we finally break past 300,000 followers. That would be a huge milestone for Pepe's community. But if we're looking at Pepe's tweets, nothing again as far as any sort of announcement that goes. Still just the good old pictures of the Pepe, but nothing where they get the community involved and got engagement going. So that is one thing I would say they need to kind of ramp up on. And you don't want to be one of the meme coins. If you want to make a statement, you want to do something different. That is what I think. You don't want to be like every other meme coin that's just posting pictures of their meme coin left and right, because honestly speaking, it does kind of get boring. Let's not lie to ourselves, okay? We're of course gonna hear some people say, no, that's not the case. These pictures are so nice. Absolutely not. It can be boring at times, and I know most of you agree with that. So not bad. But as far as the engagement goes, like of course that can be a little bit worked on. But as far as the interest level goes, that is still as high as it was, and that in my opinion has not decreased whatsoever. But if we're looking at their holder count, increased of course over the past few hours since our last update about a day ago. So that is great to see. So that is the beauty of doing daily analysis. We kind of get to see from a different perspective. We get to compare it to a previous state to really see where it has improved, where it has not improved. It kind of gives us a better understanding as to what really is happening day by day. So of course, new followers coming in along with new holders, great thing to see. But now you guys know what time it is. It is time for the good old analysis, talking about the price, see what is happening with the price and where we could see the prices going in the immediate short term. So of course, before we get into it, you guys know the good old disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at Pepe's market cap right now, $541.4 million. Great to see. That is great to see. And the 24-hour trading volume just on Uniswap is 2.2 million. So not bad at all in my personal opinion. But now let's look a little further into the charts, see what really is happening and what are some next targets we could be aiming for in the immediate short term. So since yesterday, you guys can see we did see a little bit of a bounce happening within the price, which we will definitely take. If I bring out the measuring tool, you guys can see we moved up about almost 10%. So not bad at all. But at the same time, we're facing a little bit of resistance still. It needs to clear this resistance in order for us to get a breakout towards the upside. Next main target that I would be eyeing is this 1543 cents mark. And if we bring out the measuring tool, that is a move of about 20%. 10%. That is the next main target, huge level of resistance after that. So this is where I would want Pepe to really be headed if we do see this continuation trend really forming. Could this be the bottom? Could we have set a bottom for ourselves? Are we about to see Pepe really break past this level of resistance? That is that big, most important level of resistance, which is this blue line, which is still a 64% move towards the upside. So who knows what we could see happening in the upcoming days. Right now, one thing I can definitely say to you guys is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been having the biggest battle that we have ever seen for quite some time between the bulls and the bears. We're seeing bulls win, and then we get the bears involved again. So of course manipulation is happening as well, but right now you guys can see the bears do have a little bit steam on their end, because we are sitting once again below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level as support. So that is one thing that we do need to consider when we are analyzing the charts for any altcoins, because Bitcoin impact will be very, very important, because every altcoin, meme coin, you name it, is correlated with the king of the market. So now comes the question, what are the chances of us breaking towards the upside? So last time when Pepe was around this spot, we did see it make its way all the way up to that massive level of resistance, and that was a move of, so Pepe went all the way down, of course, on May 12th to this spot, to that 1007 mark, and it made its way back up and it doubled. So what does that show us? This is now where all-time highs, where this was just 2 weeks back. We made a double gain. So what does that show us? That shows us money can flow into these meme coins really, really fast. And especially now, this month, jam-packed with a lot of information. China will be able to buy crypto, and if they flock into Pepe, altcoins start rallying like crazy. You guys know, I think Pepe has what it takes to break past this level of resistance. And of course, my stance has not changed at all on this coin. I think this coin is headed in this direction. Let me show you right now. This coin is headed into the direction of this project, which is Shiba Inu, and it is gonna come knocking on the door to really say, hey, you know what, that is my spot and I want to take that. Everything is aligned, literally everything is aligned, in my opinion, for it to really be a massive competitor as far as meme coins are concerned. And now the Pepe community is like literally its own army. They're saying, hey, you know what, we are headed there, we do want to go to Shiba Inu spot. And this is why the holder count is not fluctuating. It's holding nice and steady, and it's only going to go up as we do go further into this year, in my opinion. Of course, if Coinbase were to list that is going to be its own major catalyst that could bring in thousands and thousands of new holders for Pepe. So things are looking great, in my opinion. Of course, I would love to see a breakout to those levels, above that $600 million market cap, and then we will take it from there. But right now, you guys can see we are going to be facing some level of resistance as we do, make our way back towards the upside. But at the same time, Bitcoin should not be ignored. But let me know your thoughts down below on this entire situation. Do you believe Pepe could break out of this level of resistance this month? So this is what you need to answer. Do you think Pepe has what it takes to break out of this blue level of resistance this month? Let me know down below. Love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.